Hello students, so let's try to solve one problem from CSIR NET examination, and this is CSIR NET, this time June exam is there, and this will be, the question is, ID is 4 to 7. So it's a very simple question, but when you are going to solve this question you have to be little bit alert. What is given? It is given that Hamiltonian of a system is given by minus root under p square plus vx square x 1 by 2. And where x and p are the generalized coordinate and momentum respectively, it is given Vx is greater than 0. So what do you have to do? You have to find the corresponding Lagrangian. So obviously it's look very straightforward question, but once you are doing the calculation you have to be very much alert. You have to be keep yourself alert. So what is your Lagrangian? Your Lagrangian is nothing but x dot p minus Hamiltonian of a system. And if we have this particular Hamiltonian, then we have del h upon del p is equal to x dot, and from there we can just go for minus p upon root under p square plus vx square is equal to x dot. So here we have to take care that this x dot is negative itself. So this is very important. And so we have to, what we have to do? We have to write Lagrangian must be function of generalized coordinate, generalized velocity, and it may be function of time, depends on situation. So we have to solve this equation very carefully when we are going to solve this equation. So look at here, when we are going to solve this thing, we have to find p as a function of x dot. So what we have to do? We have to square both sides. So when we will square both sides, then this effect of minus is going to be cancelled. So what will happen? This is p square is equal to x dot square, and here we have p square plus vx whole square. But we have to find the value of p. So what is going to happen? So we have basically p square is equal to 1 minus x dot square, and this value is equal to x dot square, and here we have to take vx whole square. So this p can be written as plus minus x dot vx, and here we have to go for root under 1 minus x dot square. So we have to be very much careful that this x dot must be negative. So we have to take, hence this p is positive, then x dot is negative. So we have to take this value. We have to take here p is negative value. When we will take the positive value, then you cannot get the correct answer. So from here, hence it is given in term of negative sign here. We have to just go for p is equal to minus x dot vx upon root under 1 minus x dot square. Now we will put it here. So this is my Lagrangian. My Lagrangian is equal to x dot p minus Hamiltonian, and this Hamiltonian minus plus will be there. And what we have? P square plus vx whole square upon 1 by 2. So here there is not any problem, but in this place, if you will take the positive sign, then it will create problem. So what we have to do? We have to just put it here. So this value is equal to x dot, and I am taking this p is nothing but minus x dot vx, and here we will go for 1 minus x dot square. And inside this particular equation, what we have? We have basically x dot square, and we have vx square upon root under 1 plus x dot square is equal to, we can easily write this value is, so we can write this value as basically that 1 minus x dot square plus vx whole square to the power half. And what will be this value? So this value is nothing, but we can easily have minus x dot square, and here we have vx root under, you have 1 minus x dot square, and from there what we can take? We can take vx as a common, so this will be plus sign, so plus sign is there. So we can take vx common, and inside this particular bracket we have x dot square, and here 1 minus x dot square plus 1 to the power half. So what will happen when we are going to calculate this one? We can take Vx common, and inside this bracket we have minus x dot square upon root under 1 minus x dot square, and this whole term is equal to, so this whole term is plus 1 upon root under 1 minus x dot square, and then we can get the value Vx is equal to, we have root under, so this Lagrangian is Vx into root under x dot 1 minus x dot square. So this will be your correct answer. So students, if you will take here P, if you will just go for this equation, and if you will take P is plus sign, then obviously this can be problematic and it is difficult to get the answer. So you have to be little bit conscious to see this particular term, and from here you can easily see that P must be what? Some negative value. So we have to just go for negative part of this one. So this is a wonderful question students. So इस तरह का क्वेश्चन पहले भी आ चुके हैं, but you have to be little bit careful when we are solving this type of question. Thank you.